Yeah, so we're about to start the project and you have seen how the engine performs, but let me just give you a quick one. This like my cab makes sense, right? Hello guys, the name is Jaybash. We're about to do a crazy thing that has never been done on this planet Earth. We're going to remove this supercharged V8 engine to Bumblebee. Follow this story and watch out for what we're going to achieve. I know it's going to be really hard, but we're actually going to achieve this. A fucking V8 supercharged on a BMW E46. Yep. Let me show you the engine. I know a lot of people, they're actually going to say this is not going to work. But believe me or not, it's actually going to work with me.
Okay. What year of Mustang?
4.6. This is a 2004 Mark 1 Ford Mustang. I'm sorry you're going to do this to a Ford Mustang Mark 1, but I really need this engine to be part of my story. So we're starting in. I'll try and see if we can achieve this project in. It's another challenge for us. Let's see if we can finish this project in 7 days. I don't know. We might try, we might not, but let's give it 7 days and see how it goes. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.
Twenty minutes later.
So this man, because of Soja car, he abandoned my car and he's here now.
Working on the Soja car.
We have to finish this project in 7 days. How can we achieve this?
الدنيا شقاوة فيها الدنيا بالله يا رفيقي تبقى القوة في حضن الطبيعة الدنيا فيها الشقاوة ما ننسى فيها الحلاوة الدنيا فيها الحسادة ما ننسى فيها السعادة الدنيا فيها المودة يا إنسان فيها المحبة الدنيا الشقاوة فيها الدنيا بالله يا رفيقة تبقى القوة في حضن الطبيعة الدنيا الشقاوة فيها الدنيا بالله يا رفيقي تبقى القوة في حضن.
So guys, we're about to pull out this engine out of this Mark 1. I have to do this, I'm sorry. We're just waiting for the belt. My guy is losing some bolts on now, so we can just pull out this guy out.
الدنيا فيها المحن يا إنسان فيها الفتن فيها الخذلان وفيها الندم من قرايب الناس وفيها الألم الدنيا شقاوة فيها الدنيا بالله يا رفيق تبقى القوة في حضن الطبيعة الدنيا شقاوة فيها الدنيا بالله يا رفيق تبقى القوة في حضن الطبيعة
Man, bust your head. Yeah, what's the matter?
I'm about the gearbox big.
I got Scott's body for my bin.
Guy.
Ah, you never jump.